Okay, what's going on, everybody? Tonight I have a SPY analysis on the spiders. So, this is the broader market. We went over this before. The SPY basically mimics the overall market. This is why I use this basically to see what to expect on the opening tomorrow. So the futures is open and it is trading now. I already have these levels. I marked off on the chart to save some time. I don't have to go drawing all the levels on. So these are the levels I'll be watching, guys. So here we go. As you can see, back on ninth month, second, we had an all-time high on the spiders, SPY. And then we had a massive amount of selling. We sold off a lot. We definitely took a huge dump in the market, like a very, very big pullback. So after we put in this high here, we just sold off completely, guys. But we did get, that bounce back up and started to recover. But now we're back on this downtrend. You see here, we have we had this pullback. So after this downtrend, we came back up and now we have a pullback. If you look at it, this is kind of looking like a cup handle. It's like it's cupping. If you look at the bigger picture, and this is just the handle here. And if you want to go a step further, you could say it's actually, right here is a lot of support in this area, and we have a lower high. We have a lower high here, a lower high there, and these other two arrows that I have plotted on the chart already. These are the ones I'll just be looking at, as of this week coming. And aside from those, I have some levels drawn off. I actually want to be watching 344.55 because below that level, I expect some selling. And the futures is open right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna switch over to the chart just to see how the market is responding to my levels that I have drawn out on this chart. I am not worried as of yet because the market is generally moving in a range from about 340 to, and it's like bouncing back and forwards actually between 340 and I want to say 45-ish. That's what I'm expecting this week. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just drill down and select my charts here. Okay, so as you can see, I have this downtrending line here. We already actually respected that line quite a bit. Like we touched it there, didn't quite touch it there, but we definitely touched it there, here. Didn't quite make it here. It rallied back up once it, this is why I have that level drawn on here, because we basically we're respecting that level there. And we're coming back up and we touched the trend line. We tested it again. Now we got some rejection there. And just to get a clearer picture of what's going on, like we'll go here as well. And we're gonna clean the chart a little bit. And basically, this is what the futures is doing as of now, right? So let's go here like that. So this is today. This is what the futures is doing today. We sold off and we can't quite get back above, we can't quite get back above the level that I have drawn out, which is this level here. So we're going to see how the market actually responds. And if it can't get back above that level, then, perhaps, it'll retest the 343. And if it breaks below the 343, I am going to expect some selling down to about 342. Just that area. This is like more like an area. It's not an exact, price on the SPY. This is like some areas. So that's the way I look at it. So I'm not worried because as you can see, you know, if I was to go back here, we are kind of like just moving in, you know, that range right around here. We're moving in this range, sort of like that. I would say it's trapping longs and shorts. The market can do what it wants, so I try not to predict it, but you know, play what it's given me. I like to watch what it's given me and act accordingly. And this week, I'm actually going to be from protect mode because we do have quite a bit of earnings this week. It is earnings season, so yeah. So that about wraps it up for this video. We're gonna go ahead and end it here. And like, as I said, this week I am in protect mode, and that ends this analysis. I am out.